Are you frustrated because your Beats Pill speaker won't turn on? Worry not, as today we're diving into the exact steps on how to fix a Beats Pill speaker that won't turn on. Whether it's a battery issue, a minor glitch, or a more severe hardware problem, we've got solutions that can help you revive your beloved speaker and get your music pumping again. Step 1. Check the power source. First things first, let's ensure that the problem isn't simply a drained battery. Plug your Beats Pill speaker into a reliable power source using the original charging cable and wall adapter. Sometimes faulty third-party cables or chargers can disrupt the charging process. Allow the speaker to charge for at least 30 minutes and then try turning it on. If the charging indicator doesn't light up, test the cable and adapter with another device to check if they're working properly. Step 2. Perform a reset. If charging wasn't the issue, the next step is to perform a reset. Resetting your Beats Pill can resolve minor software glitches that might prevent it from turning on. To reset, press and hold the power button along with the B button for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the indicator lights flash. After resetting, try turning on your speaker again. This process can often clear temporary issues and breathe new life into your device. Step 3. Inspect for physical damage. If your speaker still won't power on, it's time to inspect for any physical damage. Look for any visible cracks, dents, or signs of liquid exposure. If you find damage, it could be affecting the internal components of your speaker. Unfortunately, significant physical damage might require professional repair. Minor issues like debris and button crevices can often be remedied at home with a gentle cleaning. Step 4. Update the firmware. Sometimes outdated firmware can cause operational issues with electronic devices. Connect your Beats Pill speaker to a computer and check for any available firmware updates through the Beats Updater tool. Keeping your device's firmware up to date ensures it operates optimally and can address bugs that may be causing power issues. Step 5. Seek professional assistance. If none of the above steps bring your speaker back to life, it might be time to consult the experts. Reach out to Beats customer support or take your speaker to an authorized repair center. Provide details about its condition and the troubleshooting steps you've taken. Professional technicians will have the necessary equipment and expertise to diagnose and resolve complex issues, ensuring your Beats Pill is restored to working order. Fixing a Beats Pill speaker that won't turn on can be straightforward if you follow these systematic steps. From ensuring proper charging to inspecting for physical damage and updating firmware, there are several approaches you can take to address the problem. However, when in doubt, seeking professional help can save time and prevent further damage. By following this guide on how to fix a Beats Pill speaker it won't turn on, you'll be well on your way to rocking out once again. Remember, sometimes patience and a little technical know-how are all you need to solve the issue. Enjoy your music revival.